Well, I did it. Now it's time for the aftermath video. I can't believe I did that. At least my teeth are gonna be squeaky clean. Ugh, this thing, I swear.
How did blue team win?
Huh?
How did blue win?
I don't know.
We still playing?
Uh-uh. Ew! There's a soap. There's soap in it. Ugh. It's not toothpaste anymore, it's soap. Let me try this again. Except this time, it's gonna be toothpaste. Because hopefully I got all the soap out of my mouth. Ugh. Alright, let me show you a streamer that's actually pretty good. It's him. I'll put the name down in the description. You should go check him out. The only reason I even wanted to post a video like that is because he told me I haven't posted in a while. That I need to post. What's that on my phone? But thank him for me eating soap. Bye.